Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. My people, a brother share a story with me. The man say him book a woman, a English woman, and the woman came to England and left him pan him own in England. They come like the woman when just a try to get back at her baby father. The man say, bro, within a year of meeting the woman, he married and reached in England. But it come like say something when go down with this woman and her baby father. And he don't know if I get back, he might try get back to the baby father or what. But all he know, when him got England, he was left on his own in no time, my people. And me go break down that story for you. My peeps, the man say him book a English woman a Jamaica, right? And things happen very, very fast. The man say, yo, within a year of him bucking the woman, him there England. The man say after them married, it take him about 3 to 4 months before the paperwork come through. He never see nothing come through so fast yet in the history of paperwork. Right? The man say, yo, when him reach England, about the first couple of months, him and the woman good, them alright. Everything normal like what normal marriage supposed to go. And the man say them did it. But him realize that the woman start work regular. Like 7 days a week. The woman say him work. And the man say, but babes want me, man, you hurt yourself, you know, man, you can't work like a slave, so you know. Ray, you know. The woman say, you know it is, we're gonna have to try and do this and do that and know that you're here and you know, you don't have that job that brings in X and X amount. You understand? Because the youth did it, the youth get a little job at one factory and him there at the factory and doing thing. He make a little change, but you know, no great money, but it's a money where you can live off of, him say, and he might do him thing and he might contribute to him, contribute to. You see what I say? Sometimes him do overtime and everything and it work out for him and he can give the woman the money. But him just notice things start change the woman like a 7 days a week the woman a work. And sometimes when the woman do day shift, right? Sometimes when the woman fi come in and sitting like the woman then and say, oh, she stopped by her mom, she stopped by her sister, and she was so tired she fell asleep by there. And because time and she know she have to go to work the next day, she just left from there and go. So you know a man not to make no, him a pretty no, but him a say him not to make no big fuss out of it. Because him just reach England and him not really want no problem. This about couple months, like 5 months ago to 6 months, you know me people. You understand? Everything get weird. You see me and the man say, Bomba, that wagwan. Him no feel well. Him no feel like say things are work out good, but him can't bring up no argument. Because first thing, him reach in one place where him no know nobody. Him no to know nothing. He is an idiot to the place pretty much. Everything that the woman him have to rely upon. So how to organize up certain things, even bank account to deal with, everything to do, bills, everything. Sort out him phone this and him, everything at the woman have to sort it out for him. Because that is understandable. Because when you go in enough country, you don't know the system. It's the person who bring in the country are going to know the system. The man say him did it, till him find out say, the woman start miss more and more days of being woman the same old excuse. But little did he know, the woman and the baby father come like them a connect back together. The woman and the baby father have a falling out. Right? And it come like say after the falling out and them have a little bad breakup. The woman decides that she a go to Jamaica for holiday. And I saw this a man a buck her. And in a no time, him there England. Who to tell this could be a revenge stunt pan the baby father to try and make the baby father feel like say, watch on man, I have moved on and ray. You understand? Because the baby father did end up finding a different girl. People. The woman look like same and the baby father start mesh back together and don't know what to do with this man yeah, when go find a Jamaica, do what he do, and in there England now I live with her. The baby father have him own house. The pitney them amongst the baby father. But the problem is, one of the daughter was a little bit grown. You understand me? I say like about 14 and so. And the youth know the two pitney them are sitting. And them kind of get on a little way. You understand? Because they like him, Jamaican, and him have a little vibe and this and that and Ray, and him and them talk and so and so. You understand? But the man say him not like what go on, and the woman, the woman like him never see nobody at work yet and no get no day off. Him don't know that work. You see me? But yet still this a woman always have money problem. But him a work 7 days a week without no day off and always have money problem. The woman not gonna work, people. The woman a get her day off them. She a work her regular shift and I get her day off them. But she a get her day off them, but a baby father yard she a stay. Right? And now he come like him and the baby father get back tight and him have this man in the house where she did live. And the youth did it. And sitting, and him don't know what he tell him and say. Him man a say certain time or something come up in him don't know nothing if he play no bills, him don't know nothing if he do nothing, you know. All him know, get the little money, send it to the woman sort out what he sort out. You understand? You don't know, see the little 14-year-old tell the youth say, mom and dad are getting back together and shit like that. You understand me I say? And this a man ya, all along him a get a little flag them, him don't know what go on. Him feel like a fish out of water in England. And him can't too black no sound. And that's the problem, you know. You see certain country where you go. If you have a whole of people around you know and sitting and you can't this and that and you have a bridging over this and a bridging down this and a cousin or a uncle or a auntie down this. So you can't go on with your thing, but when you don't know nobody, you kind of have to zip your mouth. Because the last thing you want to see in a country and you and a woman fall out and him kick you out. You understand? People, now the woman start giving some real vibes now because the woman want left him. The woman want left him, you know. Remember this woman carry the man in the country, you know. Married the man came in the country, you know, and the man didn't know nobody, no nothing. Him feel like a fish out of water. But the woman want to left him, you know, and don't know what to do. You understand? So they like sleep out them and them something there and them thing. They come like the baby father press him say, listen, you have to go left this a boy where you can't come here, you know. And I'll divorce him and bag a thing in hand because this is the thing they know and focus back on we. Because he come like the falling out. We go on with the woman and the baby father. All of this will happen to married and Carmen in England is all because he come like a revenge. He come like she was hurting so much and she want to get over it, so she just do it as a little revenge kind of thing, me people. Me people, the man say a be argument and be a thing a go on and this a go on. Woman get upset, pack things and tape out left him. The woman not kick him out or run him out of the place, you know. You understand me? I said that was one good thing we take him. Him still did have a roof over him head. You understand? The woman name kick him out or run him out of the place, but the woman instead say she's going to moms and Ray. Still not telling man nothing. Right? Weekends, Ray gone for a couple days, then him come back 1 and 2 days. The woman come there, strappings go on, Ray come like the woman only come there every now and then. Them have a little S, woman gone again, missing. So it never did a work out. And the youth can't get him head to it. You understand me I say? Till the woman go for a minute. Over a week. The man say over a week the woman go up and the man say, no man, sitting right here man. But him in a film mind, he must say, yes, the woman have a new man. He must say that, you know. He must say, no, say him get born, the woman have a new man. But what can he do? When can do? You can't kick up rumpus. Yes, the woman go kick you out. Where you go do, you don't know nobody, you don't know where you're there. The only thing you have to balance you up on your little job or your little factory and earn your little money. So the best you can do is just shut your mouth and go work and come in and work with what go on. You understand me I say? But in him head, him know say the woman have a little man. But the last thing in a film brain, right, is it is really the baby father. Even though you know a little pitney tell him something, but little pitney say anything. Because little pitney we just see mommy and daddy attack and say them back together and them something there. So him now pre them thing there. Because when little pitney ready them talk anything. You get to me I say? So him now pre that, but him know say the woman have a little man. Kind of put everything together. You know, say the woman start move out things and move out things. Right? Until argument happen and the woman say she moving out. People say the woman move out. The woman move with the man biometric permit. The woman move with the man passport. The woman move with the whole of the man documents them, you know, so the woman left the man dry in England, you know, pretty much, you know, me people. You hear me I say? Left the man dry in England, you know. You understand? And the man didn't know what to do. Him did it. Him did it and him stay on at the place for 2 months. Him stay on at the place where the woman carry him in England go for 2 months. And him there work and him buck up on an Asian youth, the man say. Him buck up on an Asian youth. And him a chat to the little bridging and I tell him what go on and I tell him where him a go through. Cause you know you there some work, you have little 1 and 2 people we mesh. You know me I say you have 1 and 2 little people we mesh, you know. And him say my reason with the Asian youth and I show him the 100 and sitting. And I say, the woman say, him have to go leave. He place I go give up, so him have to go leave soon. And the man say him don't know where to go or what to do. And the bridge tell him say, oh, him have to talk to him girlfriend, cause him have a spare room and him can stay there for a minute until him sort out himself. A week run off and sit, nothing happen with the youth. Him see the youth and the youth say, ray, and thing. Until finally the youth say, yeah, the girlfriend say him can stay there for a minute. You understand me I say? Remember, you know, some of them people, you know me people. Some of them people are still, you find out, say, them used to having bully for people living at them house. So you find some culture where a man have a problem for you all rent to the room, they are rented it so, or make you pay money towards the thing. If you and him live, you and him link good. You understand? The man say the Asian youth save him. But by then, he run off over a year. You understand? And the man say him did the pray and I say, Bombardos, then my biometric thing soon come up for deal with, you know. I mean, not have nothing, him don't know what I'm going to do now because man, the woman pretty much break up, you know. Because the woman left, gone now, you know. Gone day back with the baby father and left this man and that. So him a wonder now, him a fishing out of water right now, don't know what happened. What am I going to do? Him no know where to turn. Only thing him know him have the little work and him a catch a people place. Him no know whatever turn else he make. And the biggest thing pan him brain I say, him a go end up back in the yard because him and the woman mash up. We can't come in the country. The woman gone with him paperwork and sitting. Right? Him saying chat to a bridge and a bridge and tell him say, report it. Report it to the police. That she take away your documents them and something. And he must say, boy, I don't really want to do that and ray, and this and that. He must see if him can try talk to the woman and sitting. Anyway, the woman give him back him passport. And the woman still hold on upon the biometric permit. And I think, you see when a woman do that, a wall, him literally a try to hold you back, you know. So in a way, come like the woman just decide, say, oh, and me bring him coming to the country, you know. So if anything, he have to go back home when that time they come. Because now that she dey back with the baby father and sitting, he have to go back home. You understand me I say? And then, remember, you know, if him go back home, a woman can do divorce from anywhere. You understand me I say? Because either come like, say, him left in marriage or something. Him man come like a fish out of water and don't know what to do. Him get back the passport. Him did it with the Asian youth at the Asian youth yard. I do him little work. I do him little thing. But every day, man, stress. Him man, yo. The man say him stressed like a dog. The man say him burn him little weed. The man say him burn weed like a chimney. The man say that I only comfort. Weed, I only comfort. Throughout the time, because I be stressed upon him brain. Him dey all a work and all him a think about say if him a go reach back in yard and sitting. Every now and then him call the woman. When the woman dey work, the woman will talk to him, but the woman not talk to him when him there with the man there and sitting. So him ask the woman, what go happen? You understand? And he must say, yo, remember something I will come back up in a man, ray, and this and that, you know. You see me? And you want to know, say, the woman tell him, say, me we sign back the thing when he come, and ray, and help you out. But my people, you see, by the time, that time if he come up, when the man fi do back him thing, the woman kind of cut communication with the man. He can't really get to her, nothing. And him no know where this woman ya move gone, where baby father live, ray. Fi sit now, you have to know where you do. To remember me tell you now, you alone in the place, you know. And you alone in the country, you don't really know nothing. Anybody you know who you buck up in the place. And you can't just get up and go live with people, so. This are not them England not like America where you can't do there run up and down. Illegal, this and that, and for you can't get no work, nothing now go on for you. And him have him liquor factory job a galang, and it bring him a change. You understand? Him did it with the Asian youth. Him ending up, when him there work, him buck up on a different nation girl, one Polish girl. Him buck up on a girl where he say a Polish girl. And if some people know when you go to a foreign country in some factory, and be a different nation people go in there. From some different nation. And him walk up on the Polish girl. And the Polish girl did live alone and them start talk and little thing happen. And him go there, him left from the Asian youth and start kick it with the Polish girl. You understand? Him doing thing them did it, no problem. But now him have a roof over him head. But the biggest problem in front of him is wonder if him paperwork I go back through and sitting. Wonder if him paperwork I go back through and them thing there. And the people, as the time draw nearer and sitting. So when do him contact the Home Office? And I didn't even know that the Home Office do them a kind of something here. Right? Them instruct the man saying to try to work out the relationship with him wife. You understand? I never know say Home Office do them kind of something there. You understand? Them instruct him to try to work out the relationship with him wife. You understand? Because as she bring him into the country, as she the sponsor, there is not much more to do from there. Because remember, the woman never abuse him, and him never make no talk like a under abuse or nothing or anything like that. You see what me I say? But people, the time I draw close and closer. A good thing say this a little girl when go buck up and this Polish girl have little brain. And the Polish girl tell him say, if he try and get a liar. Him get a liar, my people. And when him get the liar start put forward certain sin thing. And I don't know how this work or what, because him never give me all them details the how it work. But all him tell me say the liar ending up to make him get another biometric permit when the one they run out. And you see that the woman they did say I go sign back paper and sitting, the woman cut connection from him. He can't get to the woman, he can't hear the woman. The number went off fear, so he call it whatever, nothing. You understand? Everything gone. And another same, the man said that same Polish girl there, he end up get a one pitney with. He end up get a one daughter with the Polish girl right now. You see what me I say? And by then, uncle thing him know, him do the him ending up file for the divorce with the woman. Him ending up file for the divorce. And the divorce process run through and him divorce come through. You understand me I say? Him get the youth to the Polish girl. And him and the Polish girl did it. Them not married and nothing like that. You understand? But him have the youth and something. So the next time the man say, when him did figure file again, for do the thing now, the biometric again, him by then him have him youth with the Polish girl. And as so comes, him was able to file and can in the country same way. Man say the worst thing could have reached him. And him no one that reach no other else man. So sometimes some man, him say some man a go run come a foreign, woman born married and care come a foreign. You have to know where you get yourself in. Because if a woman take you in a foreign for the wrong reason and left you on your own, you get knocked. Especially a country where you getting your paperwork relying upon the sponsor. You get knocked. You understand the only thing man take can save you probably if it depends. You have some liar who are very good, you know. What them do, I don't know some of them. Some liar can help you out a certain thing. Some of them you pay them money and them workless. You understand? But now, the man say the only grounds where him fit turn up and now. Because he never know if him think that when he get back through after the liar get the other one. You understand me I say? Unless him will have the youth. You see me? So the man I say, brother, are one of the most stressfulest, broken down, depressing most time in life. No know where him, no know him head from him foot, no know where him a do. He just know say in one country and him a bagabo in the country, no know nothing. That's why sometimes you see, it's a good thing when buck up on a Asian youth if you help him out when him this a get put out. And then see a one different country woman in go buck up on Polish. And right now, man say him and that the girl a kick it, cause that the girl they right by him right through everything. And never pre him. You see what me I say? Sometimes already think not tough money wise the girl that do her thing and nah pre him. You see me? So people, let me tell you now, sometimes a man we see them a run down married, you know. And not just a woman, not just carrying in the country alone and ill treat you know. And treat to no bad and them something there. A woman, me no know why a woman that even do this. Why that can't man in the country they take away papers them. Take away passport, take away biometric, take away all in documents them, legal documents them if you do everything. If you left that work there in, if you left that little factory job there in, a problem, you know. Because if you get certain other job, you have to present certain document, you know. It's a good thing saying get back the passport. Because if you didn't get back that, me don't know how they manage. You understand me? I say some man have to be careful. Because when you see some woman, you know, let me tell you, when you have some woman who really revengeful, you know, them just think with them emotions. Them can be having a bad relationship with somebody and then just do something drastic. That's just enough woman all breed for all a man. And the man they want them and the man not to do the pitney. Because guess what? Sometimes that woman when in a relationship and that relationship fall down or something bad happen in the relationship and she just run go jump on a man and the one jump she go jump on the man breed her. The man they in a relationship. The man they no feelings for her. The man they love her. It's just a one knock is because she come throw herself at him. You understand? And it is no different from this a case where this a woman that come like she got through problem with the baby father and it hurt her so bad. She say, oh, it come like she want to prove a point for the baby father. Run go Jamaica, meet man, hurry up herself, married man, and in a no time man they back in England. You hear me I say? And remember me tell you now. You see when you go in a country and you don't know cock and bull about that country. And the worst thing can reach you know. You know when better you know the homeless are sitting around woman kicking out and you go milk some people or something. But you see when you did it, you know we have roof over your head. You know we have a job. But you see when you don't know what go up next for you know, like paper wise, immigration wise and sitting, you just did it like a floating just a floating in the wind. Don't know if you're going left, don't know if you're going right. Believe me, so youth, you know careful sometime when you jump for. Because I know enough youth are run down married, enough youth are run down foreign woman. Remember me telling you, some of the women can take you out of a good situation and put you in a something will come like hell. Believe me. 1J Progress Entertainment, my people. Remember what we say already, you know, my people. Don't make them fool you know. You don't have to ask nobody nothing. Nobody not have to tell you nothing. And 1J Progress Entertainment and no other. Believe.